We are in STEM camp, the Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics camp. We have 10 students here from Lawton. They are participating in making t-shirts. They're making race cars today, and they're on the computer learning new skills. This is one of our favorite camps that we do, so we're excited.
I actually was thinking I was going to lose going into it. I was surprised that I won, so kind of shocked actually. I just put it together and did it, to be honest.
The Tech Now program is about learning to use technology to create products. The partnership that we have with the Department of Rehabilitation Services, Lawton Public Schools, and even the Career Tech here allow us to come in and offer a different kind of approach. We work with students that, some of them have the technology skills, but a lot of them don't understand that technology first was this wonderful tool that allowed you to do things that you couldn't do before.
You've learned a lot of tools. I want to see some good work. Any questions? All right, you're off. Good luck.
These students have disabilities, and so they are learning to be with others. They're learning to get on a computer. They're learning to gain skills that they may need for a future employment, and this is one way to bridge that gap, is for them to learn a different type of career that maybe they would be interested in. And half of our classroom says, oh yeah, I want to do this. This is great. This is so much fun.
I was teaching middle school in Missouri, and a lot of what I was teaching didn't seem to be very engaging for students, and so I took it upon myself to develop curricula that would teach what we want students to learn, but also engage them so that we had that opportunity to teach them, because if they're not engaged, they won't learn.
They always leave with a smile. They always want to come back next year. And out of all the summer camps that we do, we get the most entries for STEM camp.
These tools allow you to do things that other people are willing to pay for, and that's called a job. It's all about tech, and it's low tech like pencils and markers, all the way up to high tech like design software. My favorite part of the program is when you see a student go from I don't know anything to I'm helping the kid next to me, and they start to feel that special feeling like, hey, I got this. That's the best part, when they realize that they can instead of they can't.